Welcome to the 90-second executive. You heard the problem on TikTok. Sharing passwords via Google Docs is a disaster. Now, you're here for the executive remediation. Your goal isn't just to stop sharing, it's to build a scalable identity and access management strategy that protects your company's IP. Step 1. Implement Enterprise Single Sign-On. By centralizing login through a provider like Okta or Google Workspace, you eliminate individual password sprawl. Step 2. Adopt privileged access management. Not every employee needs admin rights. Use PAM to grant access based on the principle of least privilege. Step 3. Demand audit trails. An executive needs to know who accessed what and when. Enterprise password managers provide these logs automatically. Step 4. Culture. Technology alone won't fix a human habit. Train your team on why security matters for the company's valuation and safety. The ROI is clear: fewer help desk tickets for lost passwords, faster onboarding, and significantly reduced risk of a catastrophic breach. As an executive, security is a business enabler. Move from hope to governance today. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. For white-label documentation and process optimization, follow FLEXEC Advisory. See you next time.